In breaking news coming in, the BJP has reacted and has said that the wiki cable only proves that the Prime Minister is weak and that he is isolated in his cabinet. The BJP says that what the cable has said about the NSA's views on talks with Pakistan is nothing new. Let's listen in to Balbir Punj.
We have with us senior BJP leader Balbir Punj. Sir, my first question, sir, according to the latest WikiLeaks, it is being said that the then NSA, Narayanan, was of the view that Prime Minister is isolated within its own government as far as the policies, as far as the Indian policies and the Prime Minister's stand on Pakistan is concerned. So what's the BJP's reaction on this?
Mr. Narayanan was truthful only in part. The fact is that the Prime Minister has been weak, not only in the case of Pakistan. He has been proven to be weak in every other case also. That is one. And number two, the NSA did not say anything new. He only reiterated what has been known to India and to the rest of the world for quite some time now. And we are not surprised, because anybody who makes an objective assessment of this Prime Minister will only come to this conclusion, that he has the office, and but he has no real power. And number two, whatever power that comes to him because he holds that high office of the Prime Minister of India, he doesn't exercise it. So he is a weak Prime Minister, and who is there for namesake only.